Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to access Google Drive, Google Docs. Okay, so if you want to give access to work email to or anyone, so you can give the access of your Google Docs. I will show you. So let's start with the video, guys. This is my Gmail. Just log in with your Gmail. Now jump into Google Drive. Just click on it and click on Drive. So Google Drive will be open. So here, so all you have created, whatever you have created like Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Site, it will be saved in Google Drive only. Okay, so you can directly go to the Google Docs. Okay, Google Docs is a okay. If I go directly to the Google Docs, let me open Google Docs. You can search Google Docs on Google and directly open the Google Docs. So Google Docs will be look like this. Then all file will be created file will be see like this, and you can create new docs from here, and all these files are saved in here only. Okay, here also, so you can save all see the all share created file from Google Docs. It will be saved in Google Drive. So I will show you how you can share or give the access of Google Docs file. So here you can create the Google Docs from here also. Okay, you can create new Google Docs, or you can create from here also. So if I create it, okay, it will be create. Now you can I can give the name like any give access Google Drive, Google Docs. So just remember this name, go access Google Docs and write something if you want. Okay, so it will be by automatically save in Google Drive and Google Docs. If you come to Google Drive and refresh it and look into the recent tab, here you can find the same recent means is the history means here you can see the recently operated file. Okay, so this is my file I just created. You can find in Google My Drive also, but you have to search from here, or you can search by name. Okay, you can see I have searched. This is my okay. So you have to search. My internet is slow, but you will see this file in here. Okay, so now just now how you can share it, or you how you can give access. So click on share. So here you can send the email by sending the, it is not email, it's like share. Okay, if you enter any emails, if you want to share by this like on email, so you have to enter the email. You can enter the up to 50 email, and here you can change the permission like viewer. Okay, type the message, and this is the file you can send it. So when you send the Google Docs file like this, or give the access like this, then this file will be goes to this tab. Okay, so the person will get this file on this tab only, because this is file where you get all files and folder by shared by others. So I'm going to show you links also. So just cancel it if you don't want to share on it, and here the another option, share on links. Okay, so this is very useful option that you can use to share on WhatsApp, Messenger, or email. You can share this link to anyone. So you have to change this restricted to anyone with this link. Change the permission like viewers only. Okay, viewers means people can only view, they can't edit. So don't make editor or commenters, means people can edit or delete your file. So just make it viewer only. Make the anyone with this link, copy this link, and you can share on anywhere like message, any you can send on email also. Okay, you can send on email also, so people can get easily access, okay, of this file. Okay, don't make restricted means the people maybe not get the access. For that you have to add first people here, then you can send this link. Okay, so make it anyone with this link, copy it, and you can send. So that is how you can share the Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please thank you for watching. Please subscribe me and comments below.